Hey guys, it's your girl Simply Lisi. Welcome back. I'm here with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I create my digital vision board DIY style. So first we're going to go to canva.com. If you don't know what canva.com is, it's basically a website where you can go ahead and create all types of artistic digital content basically. So once you sign in, you can either look up a design or you can kind of scroll through to see what type of thing you want to do. So I clicked on, I believe, desktop wallpaper. And the good thing about this is that they have different varieties that you can automatically go ahead and choose from. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and start with that blank canvas. It just works so much better for me. I don't need it to be anything pretty. It's literally going to be a digital collage. So that's why I wanted to start with a blank template. So as you can see here, they have photos, elements, text, all of that good stuff. You can go ahead and play around with it for yourself. For me, I'm going to actually go into my upload soon. Because my uploads literally, this isn't the first time that I've used Canva. So my upload has all of like my business logos, business pictures, and so forth. So I'm definitely going to go into that. As you can see, I already have some makeup, looks, logos from other brands. I use actually Canva to create my ebook. So I am going to choose my logo. And honestly, you have to play around with it because it's not complete yet. So you just kind of have to be like, all right, it's not going to look anything great now, but you just have to keep adding so forth and more. So what I'm going to do now is I want to add YouTube to my vision board. I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to go on images. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose a picture that just says either the actual YouTube icon or the YouTube word. So we're gonna go and do that. And then what you can do is you're gonna go on Google, find the picture, you're going to right click it, you're gonna save it to your desktops or downloads. And you can actually see that I'm going to do this here. So yes, I'm gonna save image as. I'm going to save it in my downloads. Then I'm going to go back to Canva and then I'm going to go to upload an image or video. And then I'm going to find that image. Boom. And then we're going to go ahead and upload that. And then we should be good with adding pictures. So you're going to go ahead and resize that how you see fit. Put it anywhere you want. What I'm going to do now is add text. So I want 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So I'm just playing around with the different texts and the different colors. Now what you can do is add different pictures from the actual photos element. I added something in regards to a wedding. Now I'm going to add something in regards to the gym because the girl's trying to be fine and fit. And you're going to go ahead and crop it and just place it how you see fit. So that's literally how you can do your digital vision board. So a really cool feature that I thought was really great was you go down to more and you can actually link like your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube channel to Canva. So I linked my Instagram to my Canva account and literally it pulled up all of my pictures, all of my videos that I have posted on my account, which made it so much more easier to add to my vision board. So I'm gonna go ahead, see which picture I want to add. I definitely did want to do a pop-up shop for my birthday, and I did that. So I went ahead and chose the actual flyer for my pop-up shop, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click that and literally resize it, see how I want it to fit. One of the biggest things with doing a digital vision board, A vision board is basically a collage, so I don't want to see any white space at all when it comes to my background. I don't want to see a background, so I'm literally gonna piece and puzzle every picture and every item on my vision board, honestly. And then what I was able to do next was add pictures of me, like in regards to nursing, add things in regards to like my makeup and ministry. I also was able to add this quote here because it was on my Instagram page, which made my vision board look so much more better. But yeah, you guys can go ahead and continue to see how I move things around and put like the finishing touches and so forth on my vision board. Break me up and get you, yeah, with the license up. I'm summertime crushing, but the game on pause. And do it how I like it, baby, nice and slow. Break me up and get you, yeah, with the license up. One of the greatest things about doing a digital vision board is that, first off, I'm not going through the hassle of finding magazines and paper and all of that. Literally, I'm just using the internet. Like, the internet is my baby. It's crucial to use with my digital vision board. And on top of that, I'm able to maybe print it out and place it in multiple places. But for me, I know that I'm almost always on my laptop in regards to when I was in school or just editing YouTube videos. I know that when I open up my laptop, that will be the first thing that I see. So it's literally just a great thing to save paper, save time, and honestly just make it more convenient to do a digital vision board. So literally, it's the easiest thing to do. You just have to really play around with it until you get a hang of it, and I think anyone can get it. My knees get weak when you touch me. Body use it, sex game stupid. On fire. Why don't you let me not take your target? Oh baby, you got what I want. Oh, you's a real one, I'm inspired. Oh, break me up and get you, yeah, with the license up. I'm summertime question, but that game on pause. And do it how I like it, baby, nice and slow. So my vision board is basically complete. It looks so good to me. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and download it. So it's gonna be in the upper right hand corner. Click download, and then you can choose whether you want it to be like a JPEG or a PNG. I didn't really care, so I just chose PNG and I downloaded it. And then when it downloads, it will be in your download folder, or it will automatically pop up as a separate browser or web page. Up to you and the computer that you have. So now in regards to adding it as your screensaver. So first and foremost, I renamed my file to vision board. Dang, I can't even spell, but it's all good. We gonna live. And then I believe I save it. That's good. Great. I go to Finder, I go in my downloads to the actual file, I right click it, and then I put set desktop picture. So right now it's not fitted. It's great, but it's not showing everything how I want it to be shown. So I believe I right click, I change desktop picture or change desktop background. Then this comes up. So now I'm able to really figure out how I want to fit screen, center. I can change the background color. If you want it just to be that small thing, you can. But for me, I want it to really fit the screen. So I went back and I chose stretch to fit screen, and now it's literally perfect how I want it to be. But you can literally play around with it, but you have to make sure that you change the desktop picture, then you right click on the desktop picture, and then it will allow you to do that. And this is how it looks. This is the finished product, guys. As you can see, I have a lot of goals for myself for 2020. The little bridal picture with the flowers represents 5 brides that I want to do this year. Obviously, you see here I want 5K followers on Instagram, 500 on YouTube. I have a scripture, I have a car, my nursing job, gym, PR. I have all of that stuff. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this video helped you guys to want to do your own digital vision board. Set goals and achieve them, y'all. I love y'all. See y'all in my next video.